Welcome back to TG Campus. Hope you are enjoying the series of issue of shares. So in the series of issue of shares, today we are going to see another important concept, and that is nothing but issue of shares at a premium. So first of all, we have to understand here, so what is issue of shares at a premium? For example, if the face value of one share of a company is 100 rupees and company is issuing that shares at rupees 120, it means company is issuing that share more than the face value by rupees 20. So that 20 rupees is known as securities premium reserve. And when company issues shares more than the face value, it is known as issue of shares at premium. See here. Now we have to see accounting entries in case of issue of shares at premium. Company can collect that premium amount at the time of application stage or at the time of allotment stage. So for example, if company is collecting that extra money, that is securities premium reserve amount, at a time of application stage, then which entries we have to pass? That we have to see now, right? So for example, if company is issuing one share of rupees 100 at rupees 120, so here a 20 rupees is nothing but securities premium reserve, and company is saying you have to pay at the time of application rupees 40, including securities premium reserve amount. So what does it mean? It means in this 40 rupees of application money, there are two amounts included. 20 rupees is for securities premium reserve and balance 20 rupees is your core application money, which is a part of capital. So this 20 rupees a part of your capital and this 20 rupees part of your securities premium reserve, right? And accordingly we have to pass the journal entry. Now we know the first journal entry that we have to pass at the time of application stage is nothing but receipt of a application money. So there is no change in that journal entry, so that journal entry will remain same, that is nothing but receipt of application money. If I am receiving money, how much? So I am collecting 40 rupees from the shareholder. So I will be debiting what? I will be debiting bank account. Bank account debit to equity share application money account. So I have collected 40 rupees from the shareholders. Now, so next entry that we have to pass is nothing but transferring that application money towards capital account. But you have to remember here, so this 40 rupees is not entirely a capital money. In that, 20 rupees is securities premium reserve and balance 20 rupees of your capital. So what we have to do? Sir, total out of total 40 rupees, 20 rupees we have to transfer towards securities premium reserve and another 20 rupees we have to transfer towards equity share capital account, right? So accordingly I need to pass journal entry now. So which entry I need to pass? See, equity share application money account debit 40 rupees to equity share capital account 20 rupees and to securities premium reserve account 20 rupees, right? So this entry we have to pass when company is collecting premium amount along with the application money. Now, so another way by which company can issue shares at a premium, and that is nothing but company can collect that premium amount along with the allotment stage. So then which entries we have to pass, that we have to see. See here, if company is going to collect same amount of rupees 20, that is securities premium, at the time of allotment stage, then which entries we have to pass? So we know at the time of allotment also we have to pass two journal entries, right? One is your due entry, or you can say transfer entry, and second one is your collection of allotment money. So we are collecting how much? So at the time of allotment, company is calling, for example, rupees 60 to pay for, and they are saying it is including 20 rupees of securities premium reserve, right? So I can say out of these 60 rupees, 20 rupees it's securities premium reserve and balance 40 rupees it's your capital money, right? Now I need to pass journal entries accordingly. So first entry that we have to pass at the time of allotment stage is nothing but transferring of allotment money or transfer of allotment money. So which entry we have to pass? So entry will be equity share allotment account debit. So how much is the total money? 60 rupees. So equity share allotment account debit 60 rupees. So under these 60 rupees there are two amounts. One is securities premium 20 rupees and another is 40 rupees of capital. So accordingly I need to transfer that. So I will be crediting to equity share capital account 40 rupees and to securities premium reserve 20 rupees, right? So first entry I passed, that is nothing but a due entry. And second entry I need to pass is for receipt of that allotment money, and that is nothing but bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Simple, 60 rupees and 60 rupees, right? So these are the two entries that we have to pass when company issue shares at a premium and company is collecting premium amount at the time of allotment stage, right? So that's the concept of issue of shares at a premium that we just now covered. Hope you understood this, hope you enjoyed this. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos in the issue of shares chapter. Thank you.